The presence of the powerful A13 Bionic chipset is an absolute advantage of SE2, due to which the gadget's relevance will remain high for the next 4 to 5 years. The same SIXS still gives decent performance, although it was released back in 2015. 3 GB of RAM, given the high level of iOS optimization, is also enough for the eyes. We are calm for the hardware and software of an inexpensive iPhone. Apple will do it right. What else? I would like to see a variety of colors, like the XR or the 11th. However, Min Chi Kuo claims exclusively standard dark gray, silver, and red color schemes. Boring. The presence of a fingerprint sensor Touch ID, which modern iPhones lack, is very likely, given the form factor of the 8. And this cannot but rejoice. But it's hardly worth counting on 3D Touch, recognition of the pressing force on the screen. It seems that Apple has finally abandoned this technology in favor of the haptic touch software, based not on the strength, but the duration of the fingers holding the screen. So cheaper. Insiders are silent, but we are confident that a high-quality camera with support for amazing night mode and deep fusion technology, like the iPhone 11, will certainly be in iPhone SE2. Whether the camera is single or double is not so important. SE2 will probably be able to replace you with not the cheapest soapbox. Support for fast charging, if it appears, here 50 to 50, then in the box with SE2 we won't definitely find a power supply unit. This would increase the cost of the device, and it should first of all be affordable.